What's up everyone, it's Ethan here. It's Tuesday, so obviously back with another weekly video. So a few months ago, I had this idea to try a new content venture on TikTok called Whiteboard Creations. The premise was all about talking about random facts about life, money, earth science, just a bunch of random topics in my head and animating them in an interesting way. I was paying people on Fiverr for whiteboard animations for $10 a video, and the goal was to put out 100 videos and see how it all ended up. Well, after 20 videos, the channel picked up very little traction, and I decided to pull the plug after accumulating a whopping 39 followers. 2 of them actually being my own accounts too, so really 37. So yeah, anyways, this was an epic fail, but there's always something to take away from the experience. First, I stopped this experiment early after only 20 videos because one of the great perks of TikTok is that the content market is so less saturated than YouTube, you hear feedback very quickly. For example, you can make stellar videos on YouTube, but people may not watch them simply because it's a longer process to get the word out there about your channel as it slowly gets pushed into the algorithm. But with TikTok, they're constantly pumping out new videos all the time. And this is why people can post their first video and go viral. For example, Next-Gen Poker, whose first ever TikTok received a whopping 2.7 million views. So you hear feedback very quickly and can very quickly find out whether your content is good or not. And given the lack of views and the TikTok algorithm not recommending these whiteboard creation videos, I was quick to realize the content was just not good nor something people wanted to watch. From that, I was at least able to save myself $800-ish and a lot of time by not writing scripts and coming up with new ideas. What I've learned from this experiment was that generally speaking, the best performing videos usually consist of a face in them and usually some sort of colorful graphics. Both this whiteboard creation channel didn't incorporate. With this app appealing to a younger audience, flashing colors, enticing sound effects, and a person's face is really what's necessary to rank high with video engagement. These videos consisted of a boring white background that overall looked pretty terrible in TikTok form, especially when you scroll down my past videos. The thumbnails of pretty much all white images just looked extremely unattractive and plain. So yeah, after spending $200 and way too much time brainstorming topics and ideas, I'm closing the book on this one as a fat L. This doesn't mean though that I'm closing the book on TikTok in general. I still really believe in the potential and positive upside of this platform, and we're making a lot of content on it now. In my past experiments of trying to build a new online brand and channel, I've remembered how hard it was to start something new again and how hard it is for something new to even stick. So instead of spending a lot of my time trying to do something new, why not actually just double down on what's currently working and spread out the content so that I'm making it on different platforms. So personally now, I'm doubling down on the RampagePoker brand and pumping out even more content as I do on YouTube and on TikTok. Since it's so hard to actually create a new brand, I really should be doing everything I can to make the one brand that I have going last and maximize every single opportunity given to me. Since the app appeals to a totally different audience than YouTube, we get to reach a bunch of new people that can be converted to followers on YouTube, Instagram, or whatever it may be. So after repurposing old videos and clips from YouTube onto TikTok, we gained enough traction to hit 10,000 followers. This actually allows us to be accepted into the Creator Fund, so our content is now monetized and we are printing that sweet, sweet TikTok money. A whopping 4 cents per 1,000 views, a life-changing amount that will make us filthy rich in no time. No, seriously, I'll probably be making like $3 a day given my view numbers right now, but it's not really about the money for TikTok at least. The app seems to be a really great opportunity for long-term brand longevity and reach. To be able to spread out content across different mediums and get random eyeballs on my page and content is a huge win and opportunity from a long-term perspective, even if the money is suboptimal. I actually just bought a new iPhone 12 Pro Max to increase the quality of my YouTube videos, but also let my old phone to record TikToks. So if you ever see me at the tables, you just might see me looking like a complete asshole recording with 2 phones and a 3rd phone to take notes as well. The setup honestly honestly looks ridiculous, but since content is really my end game with poker, I'm going to do everything I can in my power to maximize this opportunity. So here's my TikTok update video. Clearly, I'm doing everything I can to fulfill my lifelong goal of becoming TikTok famous. If you're lucky enough, maybe I'll mix in some dancing videos too, just to add in some spice and flavor for all the younger poker fans. If you want to follow me along the content creation journey there, it's RampagePoker. Feel free to give me a follow. So thanks so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think of TikTok in the comments below. And if you enjoyed these type of videos talking about future initiatives.